Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I share with you this simple and yet mouth-watering Ghanaian meat and fish pepper soup or light soup recipe with you all. Trust the process and you are going to love this recipe. So if today been your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Please do also subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. Alright, so for this soup recipe, I will start by cooking my vegetables. And for veggies, I'll be going in with some pepper, fresh tomatoes, garden eggs, and one medium-sized onion. I'll add some water to it, cover it, and allow it to cook until the veggies is soft enough for us to blend. So whilst we're cooking our vegetables, I'll go ahead and steam my meat. And for the meat, I'll be using cow meat for this recipe. You can use any meat of your choice. I also have some salted pork and salted beef as well. And to seasoning this meat, I'll add a little bit of tomato paste, some chopped onions as well, and you can use any seasoning of your choice. For seasoning, I use some meat seasoning powder, garlic and ginger powder, and some salt to taste. I will cover on low-medium heat and allow it to steam in its own juices until it is nice and juicy. And after extra 10 minutes of cooking this meat in its own juices, it is looking all good and ready. So moving forward, I'll go in with just a little bit of water to allow the meat cook down very well, because we really want to feel every bite of it. We really want to enjoy this soup and our meat very well, okay? So now let's steam until it is nice and ready. So I'll cover for about 5 to 10 minutes, and afterwards the meat should be very soft and ready. So after extra 10 minutes, the base of the soup is ready. So I'll go in with my blended vegetables. I will rinse my blender with some water and I'll pour it inside the soup as well. Stir very well and check if you love the consistency, and also taste for salt as well. Alright, so moving forward, I'll go in with my dry fish. I'm using assorted dry fish. You can also use fresh fish if that is what you want, okay? Alright, so whilst that is done, I'll go in with extra water. The consistency wasn't enough for me, so I needed to add in more water. Always ensure that the thickness of your soup always depends on how you want it, okay? Cover it and allow it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes on low-medium heat. And afterwards, I will go in with my dry apatere as well. Trust me, adding this fish to this soup was the best decision ever. Trust me on this one. Alright, so after adding everything, I'll give it a gentle stir and allow the soup to cook until it is nice and ready. Whilst that is going on, don't forget as well to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Like, comment, and share this video as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Okay, so after extra 30 minutes, this is how the soup looks like. Very mouth-watering and ready. So now all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. So as you can see, I don't joke with my fufu, and obviously today I'm going to be enjoying this soup with my fufu, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this soup recipe. It came out so good, very delicious, and you would definitely love it. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed till this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Don't forget as well to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much and stay blessed. Bye. Make up a
Tobo